So hello guys and welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to be teaching you guys how to use Leonardo AI to generate a simple profile picture or logo. So Leonardo AI is a free image generator. They also have a pro plan if you'd like that. So they give 150 coins daily. So as you can see, I've used some of my coins already. I only have 76. So to generate an image, you simply scroll down here. You can see image generation. So you click on image generation. So after clicking on image generation, this is your your image generation tab. So you can simply choose how many, like the number of images you want per generation, but it will increase the amount of tokens. So as you can see, 32 tokens per generation. So I like to keep it at 4, so 20 tokens per generation. So if I scroll down, I can change the aspect ratio of my image, so the dimensions or whatever you would like to call it. So you can change the aspect ratio. So I prefer 4 by 3. 4 by 3 is good. So I already have a prompt here which says create an amazing logo for security websites. We'll use Mayan symbols such as white jaguars, golden details on a black background, following a minimum, then geometric style, full stop. Then I simply click generate. So if you don't know how to come up with prompts, you can simply ask ChatGPT or check online or ask your friends. So it's something you can learn. So just give the AI a few seconds and it's gonna generate your images, and these images are unique, very unique. So as you can see, it's generated the images. See this image right here. As you can see, it's very fantastic 4K. So you can just pick any of this. So I actually like this one here. So if you want to upscale it, you can click here. As you can see, upscaling takes 5 tokens, but I'm not upscaling it, so I just click on this download. So immediately you click on download, it gets downloaded to your computer, and that's how you can generate this. So you simply take it to wherever you want to post it, your Instagram, your Twitter, and just post it there. Change your profile picture or use it as a logo. So I'll see you guys in my next video, and don't forget to subscribe and watch my other content. Thank you and goodbye.